Hi YouTube, we're going to do some Wilco. That is the Wilco song Far Far Away. We're going to talk about the chords, we're going to talk about the rhythm, we're going to talk about the lead parts. So let's get started. Okay, let's the first thing we should talk about is the rhythm. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the rhythm. There's a shuffle beat between 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sometimes they kind of get out of that for a measure or two, but mostly that's the beat for the whole song. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's a little confusing because a lot of times the shuffle will be more regular. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is not. This is just between the 1 and the 2. All right, the chords for this. All right, we have your G chord, open G. Fa, fa. Then it goes to B minor. B minor, 2nd fret, bar chord. All right, if bar chords are not your thing, you can take your A minor that you normally play and just slide it up so your index finger is on fret 3. And just play strings 4, 3, 2. So just kind of reduce your strumming and pull it away. So you just hit those strings. If you hit the high E string, it doesn't sound bad. Sounds like you're playing a jazz chord. And then the nice thing about using that is you can slide it down to the 2nd to the 1st. And you get that little walk down that you hear, which is in the song. From the A minor, you go to the C. I was thinking about G because that comes next. So let me go through that little move. It's very common. You see it in a lot of songs. You see it walking. This we're walking down from the G. Strum, strum. Strum, strum. Strum, strum. Strum. Yeah, and so you can keep your pinky on the G for most of that. If you want, you can just play it. And let's talk about this little move in more depth, though. Okay, so you start on a G. So that's 1, 2, and on the 2, you have your middle finger on the B string, 5th string, 2nd fret, And so, yeah, that could be considered a B over G, or probably more accurate though is E minor 7. You could play all 6 strings on that if you want to. So we got G, F sharp, E minor 7, C, that's beat 3, and B4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it repeats. And so, you know, just work with that. Don't get too caught up about it. If you can't get it, just be like. So the alternative is just to go G, E7 minor, E minor 7, C, G, and just leave out that little F sharp. That's just the bass note. You don't have to play a chord on that. Probably, I would say though, if you want to leave your pinky on the G, that sounds great with the C, and that may be what they're doing. And when you're playing the C, you can mute the 6th string with your ring finger, so you can keep that out of the. All right, and then it goes back to G and repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go on to some of the lead parts. During one verse, they're playing a little bit of guitar, and let's just say this is in the key of G. And when you're playing something in the key of G, especially in the country style or a pop style, or even a rock style, like maybe you think like Grateful Dead kind of rock, you're going to be playing in the major key. And so to get G major, you can play E minor. E minor has all the same notes as G major. So at the 7th fret on the string 5, you have a E. Okay, so it's 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 10, 7, 9. That when your root is on the 5th string. You also have the 6th string E, and that's all right. And you can also have your E minor pentatonic is in the open position is open, E, G. I think they are playing a lot of this in the open position. They're mostly playing like G, open strings. Though you do have this note on string 4 at the 4th fret. That's it. they're just playing around with the open string E minor pentatonic, and then they also are you need this note, 4th string, 4th fret. They're using that too. But it's not a long solo, so I would just try to have fun with it, and just it's a great song just to strum and sing and practice guitar over. So enjoy and subscribe. It helps my channel grow.